Hello everyone, how are you all doing today? Today is another important day for Le Petit Goût Caribbean Creole flavor. Today is Sunday, May 29th. Today is Haitian Mother's Day. I want to say happy Mother's Day to every Haitians in the world and happy Mother's Day to my mom as well. Now we bring more content from our 100% natural Creole flavor food that we make in our Haitian culture. First off, we have some rice alongside with some light jonjon, and alongside of that we have some griot, which we also refer to as pork, and right next to those we have some salad lettuce, which we always make it with our dinner. Now these foods are so natural, all natural, nothing too big or too small. You guys won't regret it. Here they are, and I want to say thank you for watching this video. If you are new, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And my returning users, I want to say thank you for continuing the support. May God bless you. May God bless the newcomers as well. Thank you. Have a wonderful Sunday.